Hi friends, welcome to my Feelings Hatke world. Today I am going to present you another pregnancy album which is having the journey of 9 months of a mom. This is the glimpse of an album. These are the different pages. So here is my album with so many beautiful elements and it's written Alice and V. This is the name of a couple which is having a baby. And as you can see, this is a huge album with so many interactive pages. This is the spine of an album. This is the top, and here we have a ribbon closure. So this is how the album opens. And on first page, it's written Eating for Two. Here we have two photo mats. And down also, a mom can paste the pictures, and on top flap also, the pictures can be pasted. Now these are the two booklets. On top, it's written Baby is on the way. And it's written doctor appointment. So a mom can write her experience. And here it is written week. And it is blank, so the mom can write whatever week is going. And there is a gatefold closure where it is written ultrasound day. These are the two note cards. One is for 8 weeks baby and it's written heartbeat, and it's 12 weeks baby and it's written grow hair. Here the mom can write about the experience or she can paste the pictures. And on sides also, if she wants, she can put the pictures. There is a closure. Now moving on to the second page, it's written under construction, and there is a beautiful shoes and it's written my baby is my heart. There is a magnetic closure and it's written first month, and it's a booklet for so many pictures where a mom can put so many pictures, or if she wants she can write something. And on second page it's written second month. This is a page for third month with so many elements and it's written tiny treasures, and it is for 14 weeks done and it's written now you can suck the thumb. Here the mom can put the pictures. There are so many cute elements, the pregnant lady and other beautiful elements. Now these are the two cards. One is for boy names where she can write boy names she's thinking, and on this card she can write the girl names, and here she can put the pictures. Now there is a magnetic closure here, and here she can put some picture. On right side also she can paste a big picture, and here also now there is a swinging picture. Here she can put back to back pictures, and here also she can put the pictures. Now there is an element. This is a waterfall element where it is written bundle of joy, and there is a room for 5 pictures. On right side it's written first heartbeat where she can put the picture or she can write about it. And There is a flap where she can put a big picture, and it's written, I know fairies come true because I have you. This page is for 16 weeks baby, and it's written, now you can hear my voice, and here she can put the picture. And there is an interactivity for 2 pictures and 2 cute hanging elements. 2 pairs are there. Here she can put the pictures. Now here it is written, oh baby, and it's written coming soon. There is a quote which is saying, a baby is something you carry inside you for 9 months, in your arms for 3 years, and in your heart for the whole life. And this page is for 20 weeks baby, and it's written, you are halfway there. And here pictures can be pasted, and there are 2 note cards. It's written, take vitamins, so she can write whatever vitamins she is taking. And this is for first cake, where she can write about it, or she can put the picture of baby bump. There is a magnetic closure and on this page it's written, I love you past the moon and stars. This is for 22 weeks. Now I can felt your cake. Here she can put the pictures, and there is also a room for 10 pictures. There is a magnetic closure here, sorry, a ribbon closure. Now there is an envelope where she can write a letter to her baby, and there is an element of rocking chair and a needle. On right side there are 2 portrait frames where she can put the pictures. Here it's written prenatal, and 2 note cards are there. Now there is a beautiful interactive element here. Here she can put 4 pictures, and there are 2 cards for 24-old baby. And here it is 28 weeks old baby, and it's written, now you can hold a finger. Here is also a ribbon closure. Now on this page there is a card where a beautiful baby is there, and it's written, you are precious to us. There is a card where she can write something, and here also there is a camera. She can put the pictures and write something. There is a element, and it's written due date, so she can write about due date. And there is a another note card where she can write about the things to pack for the hospital. On this page there is a card for 32 weeks baby, and it's written, now you are a melon size. And there is a card where she can write or put photos. And once you open, there is a beautiful interactivity where there are 5 photos. These are the pocket for photos, and it's written 36 weeks old baby, and now we are having a baby shower, and there is a quote where it is written, "Your heart and my heart is connected," and there is an element for baby, and these are the big photo mats where she can put 5 by 7 inches photos, and there is a card where pregnant woman is there. This opens like this, where she can put a big picture or small photos, and here she can put some collage or big photos. She can put horizontally or vertically. And on last page there is a pocket where it is written hospital tour, and there is a crib and it's written this moment is just right, and there is a big photo mat and it's written hospital name. So this is a certificate for baby. And on last page it's written today you were born, where she can put a baby photo. This is how my album looks. This is a close-up view of the album, and it's written, life's biggest miracle is a gift of having a baby inside of you. There is a beautiful box to keep this album with a beautiful lavender lace and the design of hot air balloons and beautiful floral design. So this is my whole project. I hope you like this album. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and you can buy similar gifts from my site.